Hey everyone, so coming at you from Key Largo in Florida, where out here my brother has caught some fish, and so we're getting some fish tacos ready, and he's cooking the fish right now. And so I wanted to talk to you guys today about positivity and how that can really change your day. So have you ever had those days where you wake up, let's say you stub your toe, and then just your whole day goes downhill? You're like, oh, my day is terrible, everything is terrible. Then you're caught in traffic and you're doing all these different things that just make your day worse and worse and worse. So there you're in a negative spiral. And so when you're in this negative spiral, you're going to be looking for more things that you feel negative about because you're feeling negative and you're upset. So you're going to be looking at the traffic in a bad way, as opposed to saying, oh, maybe I have extra time to listen to the podcast that I was listening to. And so really with everything has a positive side to it. And so if you look for the positives, your day is going to automatically get better because you're focusing on those positive things, as opposed to focusing on the negative things and letting that fester. And really when it comes to me, I know I've had a lot of bad days where you wake up and you're not really feeling the best. And the best way to flip that is to think about gratitude and think about what you're thankful for. So maybe it's something as simple as whatever device you have to be watching this video, where you can say, thank you for my awesome phone, thank you for my awesome computer. Maybe it's thank you for the house that I'm living in, thank you for the water that I had this morning. Thank you for the simplest things that you already have that we take for granted for every day. And so really when you shift your focus and you start looking for more positive things, your whole day is going to change because you're looking for the positive things. Where if you had your whole day that you started off and you're thinking about the negative things, you're just going to be looking for more negative things in other people and in yourself. And so if you're upset that, oh, I stubbed my toe, then you're going to be looking in the mirror and you're going to say, oh, I look like crap today. Whereas if you would just sit down and you'd flip that and be like, it really sucks that I stubbed my toe, but at least I have feet that I can walk on, and then you look in the mirror and maybe you're not really the happiest with the way you look this morning, but really what you can think about is, thank you that I have a functioning body, that I can even stand up and look in the mirror, or that I can sit and look in the mirror, and really it's things that we take for granted for every day that are really the things that we should be grateful for, and to bask in that greatness and abundance in every day. And if you focus on that positivity, your whole day is going to get astronomically better because you're focusing on those positive things. So yeah, I just wanted to share that thing because I know for myself, I have gone into a lot of negative spirals because I've just been focusing on the negative things, and then my whole day is terrible. And I know that now that I've figured this out is when I have those stumbles, that I know I can pick myself up and I can still have a positive day just because of that little negative thing that happened to me. So yeah, I want to share that with you all, and we're coming at you from Key Largo. Beautiful sunny day today, and I hope you have a fantastic week, and I hope that you have a little extra dose of positivity to start it. Bye everyone.